Hi, this is William here, and today we're going to talk about website development. So, web development is a broad term for the work involved in developing a website for the internet or intranet. This can include web design, web content development, client liaison, client side server, side scripting, web server, and network security configuration, and an e-commerce development. However, among web professionals, web development usually refers to the main non-design aspects of building websites, writing markup and coding. Web development can range from developing the simplest static single page of plain text to the most complex web based internet applications, electronic businesses, or social network services. For larger organizations and businesses, web development teams can consist of hundreds of people. Web developers, smaller organizations may only require a single permanent or contracting webmaster or secondary assignment to related job positions such as a graphic designer and our information systems technician. Web development may be a collaboration effort between departments rather than the domain of a designated department. So, web development as an industry. Since the mid 90s, web development has been one of the fastest growing industries in the world. In 1995, there were fewer than 1,000 web development companies in the United States, but by 2005, there were over 30,000 such companies in the U.S. alone. The growth of this industry is being pushed by large businesses wishing to sell products and services to their customers and automate business workflow. In addition, cost of website development and hosting has dropped dramatically during this time. Instead of costing tens of thousands of dollars, as was the case for early websites, one can now develop a simple website for free using one of the many free website builders such as Google Sites, depending on the complexity and amount of content. Smaller website development companies are now able to make web design accessible to both smaller companies and individuals, further fueling the growth of the web development industry. As far as web development tools and platforms are concerned, there are many systems available to the public free of charge to aid in development. A popular example is the LAMP Linux Apache MySQL PHP stack, which is usually distributed free of charge. This fact alone has manifested into many people around the globe setting up new websites daily and thus contributing to an increase in web development popularity. Another contributing factor has been the rise of easy to use, what you see is what you get web development software, most prominently Adobe Dreamweaver, NetBeans, WebDev, Microsoft Expression Studio, and Adobe Flex. Using such software, virtually anyone can relatively quickly learn to develop a very basic web page in a matter of minutes. Knowledge of hypertext markup, or HTML, or other programming languages is still required to use such software, but the basics can be learned and implemented quickly with the help of help files, technical books, internet tutorials, or face-to-face training. The next generation of web development tools uses the strong growth in LAMP, Java Platform, Enterprise Edition technologies, and Microsoft.NET technologies to provide the web as a way to run applications online. Web developers now help to deliver applications as web services, which were traditionally only available as applications on a desk-based computer. Instead of running executable code on a local computer, users are interacting with online applications to create new content. This has created new methods in communication and allowed for many opportunities to decentralize information and media distribution. Users are now able to interact with applications from many locations instead of being tied to a specific workstation for their application environment. Examples of dramatic transformation in communication and commerce led by web development includes e-commerce. Online auction sites such as eBay have changed the way consumers consume and purchase goods and services. Online resellers such as Amazon.com, Buy.com, and many others have transformed the shopping and bargain hunting experience for many consumers. Another good example of transformative communication led by web development is the blog. Web applications such as WordPress and movable type have created easily implemented blog environments for individual websites. Open source content management systems such as Joomla, Drupal, Zoops, Typo3, and enterprise content management systems such as Alfresco have extended web development into new modes of interaction and communication. In addition, web development has moved to a new phase of internet communication. Computer websites are no longer simply tools for work or commerce, but used most for communication. Websites such as Facebook and Twitter provide users a platform to freely communicate. This new form of web communication is also changing e-commerce through the number of hits in online advertisement. So in summary, website development is an ongoing project and takes much time and development for a consistent Alexa rating on the internet. This is why you hire professionals to create your website and ones that have SEO expertise to meet your requirements. There are other aspects that should be considered, such as internet marketing and social media marketing. The sales and marketing business has changed dramatically in the last few years, but if you have a small, medium, or large business, you need professionals to manage your internet marketing business. And this is William, and that concludes the presentation on website development, and we'll see you the next time.